Hello everyone, welcome back to my Science Year 2 class. Today we are going to learn about clarity of shadows under the topic of light and dark. Do you still remember on our previous lesson we have learned about how is a shadow formed? A shadow is formed when the light is blocked by an object. As you can see in the picture, the light from the torchlight is blocked by the ball. So, a shadow will be formed on the screen. Now, we are going to learn about clarity of shadows. Kejelasan bayang-bayang. The clarity of shadows depend on the objects used. Kejelasan bayang-bayang bergantung kepada objek yang digunakan. There are three types of objects: transparent objects, translucent objects, and opaque objects. Which objects produce the clearest shadow? Is it opaque object, translucent, or transparent objects? Now, let's look at opaque object first. For example, the mug, pop-it, and a piece of paper. Look at the shadow form on the screen. Is it clear or less clear or no shadow form on the screen? Yes, the shadow is very clear. So, opaque objects produce very clear shadow, right? So, opaque objects produce very clear shadow. How about translucent objects? For example, plastic bottle and plastic container. Look at the shadow form on the screen. Is it very clear, less clear, or no shadow? Yes, it's less clear. So, translucent objects produce less clear shadow. How about transparent objects? For example, a clear plastic sheet. Can you find any shadow form on the screen? No, there is no shadow form on the screen. So, transparent objects produce no shadow. So, which objects produce the clearest shadow? Look at the three different objects. There is a mug, a plastic bottle, and a clear plastic sheet. Which one produced the clearest shadow? Look at the shadow form on the screen. Yes, the mug has the clearest shadow. Okay, the mug is an example of opaque objects. Okay, opaque objects produce the clearest shadow. Okay, meanwhile, the plastic bottle, okay, shadow form on the screen is less clear compared to the mug. If you can see in the picture, okay, the shadow form on the screen, the plastic bottle shadow form on the screen is less clear. So, translucent objects produce less clear shadow. Okay. How about the clear plastic sheet? Can you find any shadow form on the screen? No. So, Transparent objects produce no shadow. Alright, this is the investigation that you need to do at home. Okay, you must do this investigation. You make a video or you can snap the photo and send to me. Okay, apparatus and materials. Okay, let's look at apparatus and materials first. What you need screen, the white screen, or you can replace with your wall. Okay, dinding, torchlight, object to test. Okay, there are 5 different objects that you need to test. Notebook, glass bottle, or if you don't have glass bottle, you can replace with clear glass, pencil, plastic ruler, and transparency. If you don't have transparency, you can replace or you can change with clear plastic sheet. Now, let's look at the steps. Number 1, arrange the tools and materials as shown in the picture. Number 2, flash the torch onto the notebook. Number 3, repeat step 2 using other objects. Number 4, record your observation in the table given. Okay, how do you record? You tick whether the shadow form is it clear, less clear, or no shadow. Now, and then answer the questions. Number 1, state an object that has no shadow from the table above. Number 2, which objects produce clear shadows? Alright, let's look at this investigation.
Plastic ruler. The shadow is less clear. Plastic. The shadow. No shadow.
Alright, I hope you can understand how is the clarity of the shadows. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you can do your investigation and finish your activity book, exercise in activity book. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you very much.